gentlemen. One, the CBI takes over the entire probe. Nobody else is probing this issue except the CBI going forward from today. Number two, big setback for the Maharashtra government and the Mumbai police, which have now, under court orders, been relegated to an assistant position in this investigation. The Mumbai police, which has been investigating the death so far, will now have to assist the CBI in this investigation. Anisha Mathur still with me. Anisha, 35-page judgment, no appeal because it's a court-ordered investigation. This is final. The CBI now has to continue that investigation. They've already registered a case, so they basically scale that up and take over as the lead investigator now, right?
Well, yes, Shiv. The court has very clearly said that both Bihar and Maharashtra did have the jurisdiction to file an FIR, but now since the CBI is investigating the matter, the court has made it very, very clear that only the CBI will investigate. In fact, what is even more important is that the court has said that if any further FIR is registered in this Sushant Singh Rajput suicide case, then even that FIR will go directly to the CBI. So now the tussle over jurisdiction, the political drama, everything is now very, very clearly over. The court has said that every investigation has to now be done by the CBI. The Maharashtra police will have to turn over all the documentation, etc., to the CBI. They will have to assist the CBI in every way. What is also important to note is that the court has said that the inquest proceedings, the 174 proceedings that were going on by the Bombay police, is not an FIR investigation under the CRPC. November, Maharashtra had said that we are investigating, we are conducting an inquiry, and whatever comes out, we will file an FIR in that. The court has put an end to that line of argument. They have said that whatever happens, now the CBI will investigate and you have to assist them. And even if there is any other inquiry coming in, line of inquiry coming in, that will also go to the CBI. So very clearly, it is now the CBI to look into all angles, all allegations now, and that is what Sushant Singh Rajput's family had wanted. So it is a big win for them. Even Riya Chakrabarti had said that she will not have an objection if the investigation is handed over to the CBI. So that aspect has already also been taken into account. So we'll have to now wait and see what the detailed 35-page judgment has to say regarding the trial, regarding the all other ancillary issues.
Anisha, stay with me.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.